Permission, everyone. Ayun. Uulitin mo yun. No? So you have to repeat the step. So I'm granting only read. Okay? And access for public to have read as well. Ayan, okay. So, dapat ma-retrieve na yan. So, balik tayo sa URL. Yun, na-launch ko na. Okay? Patry nga sa Philippines kasi dito to sa Sydney. No, I'm gonna give you the link dito sa chat. Patry lang kung ma-open nyo dyan. Mia, patry lang na. Paklik lang yung link.
Sir, wala po ako sa Pilipinas pero itatry ko po.
Saan po kayo? Dubai?
No, I'm in the US right now po.
US. Sige, patry lang sa US. So, hindi ko alam.
Naka-access po ako.
How about you, Angelo?
Na-access po. Okay
Na-access
po.
na, okay. All over the world pala tayo. Sa US pala si Mom. Ako Sydney. Then, Angelo is back in Philippines na. Cool. So, accessible. No? Accessible.
Sir, question po.
Yeah, go ahead.
Question po. Kasi yung in-enable nyo po for public access earlier, for the entire S3 po ba yun?
Yes.
Kasi nandito po tayo for the document itself, di ba?
For the entire bucket. For this bucket only. Remember, I have bucket.
Okay.
So, I enable public access. Then, ito naka-enable na yung public access. And then, as you can see, ito yung metadata. Permission is read. No? Read. Yan. So, public access siya. Okay. And then, I can change from here. Okay, yung picture. Okay, so naka-enable na yung public access. Pag tinanggal ko to, you won't be able to see the picture. Save. Yan, tatry kong ma-access. F5. Nawala. Sige, patry Angelo. F5 lang.
Wala po. Hindi po
nawala, di ba? Nawala. Pero naka-public access yan. But, the specific object, naka-access yan. Specific object is not available. Ayun, no? So, gagawin ko, i-read ko ulit, save, accessible na yan. Patry ulit, Angela. Yan, dapat lumabas na yan.
Opo, na-access po.
Okay. So that's available all over the world, no? In just one tick box, yung read permission. Okay? So that's good. So you know how to secure data, especially for index HTML, yung mga WordPress. You know how to do those objects, no? So paano ko naman kung may WordPress? So dapat do sa WordPress na yon, you have to have the whole WordPress is inside the bucket. Okay? Lalagay mo siya sa bucket. So paano yung WordPress? Kakopy mo lang yung file inside the bucket ni Chris. So whatever tong fully qualified domain name, kayo lang gagawa niyan. Na? So ito yung fully qualified domain name ko. Okay, next. So we were able to create, I selected Sydney. So ito yung step-by-step na ginawa ko. Na? So nandito yung guide. Then I was able to create an object, upload the object. No, in-upload ko. Then ito yung ginawa ko. View an object. Okay, then yung metadata, I was able to display. And then yung permission, no? Okay. So owner has full. What else? You can also move an object from one bucket to another. Okay, you can copy, paste, and so on. You can delete the picture. No, right-click, delete. It's very easy to empty the bucket. You won't be able to delete the bucket unless it's empty. Imposibleng ma-delete yun. So that's another security measure. No? So babalik ako sa S3. Ayun yung bakit ko. So di-delete. May laman yan ha. May laman yan. Di-delete ko. Di-delete ko. Ayun o. Ayun o. Delete ha. Delete ha. O sabi, please type confirm. Okay. Teka. Type the name of the bucket. Bucket. Okay. So it's kind of difficult to delete, di ba? Unless you really know the bucket name. Bucket ni Chris. 1 pala. 1. Okay. So deleted. Yan, deleted na. No? So you won't be able to accidentally delete without manually retyping the name of the bucket. Malinaw ba? Okay. So that's your lab, and then plus I have steps, no? How to create using command line interface. So since lab number 3 na tayo, we need to be familiar with the command line interface. So ito na yan. Don't worry, didemo ko, no? So how to copy file to S3 bucket, no? Using command line interface naman. So ito na. So maglalagin ako sa aking Windows. Now, before I can log in, I need, ito, kailangan ko. No? So, tatype ko lang is wconfigure. So, you'll be asking for access key. Ngayon, root ako eh. So, mahirapan ako kasi hindi ko ma-view yung root access ko. So, gagawa na lang ako ng sariling IM. I'm gonna create my own IM user account to log in. Okay, so user, add user, Chris. Both access. And then password will be one welcome exclamation. Next, I'm gonna grant myself admin. Okay, create user. And then I need to copy this access key kasi ito yung kailangan ko. So, you know, is asking for access key. So, once you copied, right-click, paste na yun. Okay? And then, it's asking for secret access. So, this is the one. Copy. Pwede mo nang i-recta. Paste na kagad yun. Okay? I'm gonna save. Secret. Yun lang kailangan niya. And then, if you notice, nag-default sa Northeast. Asia Pac Northeast. So, ano yung Asia Pac Northeast? Sydney yan. Okay, how did I know? Dito yan lalabas ha. Asia Pac. Teka, ba't North? Dito Southeast. Pag mali, ay Tokyo, Northeast 1 yun. Palitan nyo, you need to change. AP-Southeast-2. No, careful kayo doon. So, Sydney is AP-Southeast. Southeast-2. Wrong spelling will error, no? Southeast-2. Yan. So, pinalitan ko, okay? Default output, default. So, meaning whatever yung definition niya, enter nyo lang. Okay? So, pasok na ako. And then, pasok na ako sa ating cloud. So, the command for this one, always start with AWS. So, type nyo AWS. If you don't know what you're doing, type nyo lang help. Okay? So, ayan, help. Again, Control C, AWS, question mark. Yan. So meron tong first object. So the first object will be what is yung mga services such as EC2, SWF, or S3. S3 lang gusto ko, no? So AWS followed by the object S3. Since I don't know the command ko, question mark ko lang siya. Okay? So this is what you can do. AWS, S3. Pag sinabing LS, ayan, tama. Di-display yung laman ng bucket ko. Since I don't have a bucket, di ba delete ko? Empty siya. Okay? CP is to copy, RM to remove, make bucket is MB. So gagawa ko ng bucket. AWS S3 make bucket. Sabihin ko bucket ni Chris. Uli. Chris 2 naman. Kanina Chris 1. No? So that will create a bucket. Teka, invalid. Make bucket. May format error. So let's follow the lab. Yan. So yun ang formatting niya. No? Formatting niya. Okay. Dami kasing command yan. Talagang malilimutan natin yan. So AWS S3. We're gonna make a bucket. MB. Create a bucket. S3. Ganon. Ganon yung format niya. No? Then bucket ni Chris 2. Okay. So that's how you create a bucket. So meron akong bucket. How do you display the bucket? AWS S3 LS. Parang Linux, di ba? LS, list. Ayun. So, meron na akong bucket. Okay. Isa pa. Gawa pa tayo isa pang bucket. Bucket ni Chris 3 naman. Dalawa na. Let's make another one. Number 4. Okay. So, let's display AWS S3 LS. List the bucket. So, meron 3. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now, let's go back to bucket. Click services, S3. Dapat may 3 buckets. Yun na. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 2, 3, 4. And I was able to redirect sa Sydney. Gusto ko kasi Sydney siya. 3 bucket. Okay? So that's how you do it programmatically. Now, how do you upload file? How do you upload file? The command is copy. Okay? Copy, then destination. So ganito siya. How do you upload? AWS S3 copy, the name of the picture you want to upload, and destination. Okay? So source, destination. So meaning, you have to go sa source muna. Okay? So ang source ko nasa downloads. So pupunta ako sa users, downloads, CD Chris, downloads. Wrong spelling. Loads. So, ang daming picture. Extra. So, let's say, AWS, lamang, download lang tayo ng picture na for demo. Sino ba magandang picture? Baka ma-post yung mga personal stuff ko. Let's say Alodi. Cosplayer kasi tayo sa Mega Mall. No? So let's say this picture. So download ko siya. Download, save image. Sa download folder. And then this is case sensitive. So you have to make sure mas simple is everything is lowercase na lang. No? And so nasa download, so the command to upload. Pero first, I want to check kung nandun na si Alodia. Dear A star. Ayaw lumabas. Alodia.jpg. What?
Sa documents niyo po na-save?
Ha?
Sa documents po na-save.
Sa documents ko na-save. Talas
Opo.
Thank you. Save image. O nga, sa documents ko pala sinave. So ito, case sensitive to. Remember, this is Linux, no? Alodia, yan. So, tingnan natin kung nandiyan na siya. Yun. 78 kilobyte, not ideal. For a picture to be responsive, kailangan mga 5K lang, 4K lang. No? Huwag yung 78 kasi naka-high res siguro to. No? So, anyway, our point is to check. So, it's visible. So, that's good. So, to upload AWS S3, the command is to copy CP and the file name, alodia.jpg. Destination S3 : bucket ni Chris 2. Uploading. Success. Okay? So uploaded na yan sa bucket ni Chris 2. Now, another thing we need to set is the ACL. Remember ACL?